Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave. That way you'll never miss out on another pick a card reading. I do one on my channel every single Friday. In today's video, we're going to be talking about August. So this is an August pick a card reading. It's going to be the energy of August, what's going to come in August, and what you need to get rid of in August, all that good stuff. So what you're going to do is pick card pile number 1, 2, or 3. Whichever one you're drawn to, whichever one pops out at you, pick that one. And let's just get right into the reading. So for everybody that picked card group number 1, let's go ahead and get into your reading. What does August look like? So in August, it seems like there is a period of where you need to take some alone time. Like you need alone time because there are certain things that you have been questioning. There's certain things that you have been that's been on your mind that you've kind of just been, questioning. And you'll find the answers to these questions in August. Because your energy is going to be more where you're going to listen to yourself more, you're going to listen to your intuition more, and you're just going to listen to your own answers more than seeking out someone else's advice. You know, it seems like for the past few weeks or months, you've been very heavily influenced by other people's opinions and thoughts. And so it kind of made you disconnected from your own intuition. But in August, it seems like you're going to build this bond again with your own spirit. You're going to build this connection with your own higher self in August. There is one thing that needs to happen, and that is energy field adjustment. So here's what I like to do. There's certain ways that you can cleanse your body and cleanse your aura and your energy. The best way for me is just burning an incense and kind of just letting the smoke touch all over my body. You can also take a shower. That's a great way to just cleanse. And when you take your shower, you can actually boil some rosemary, you can boil some mint, and then when it cools down, you can strain it and use that right after you shower. Kind of just pour that all over yourself after it's cooled down, and leave it on yourself because it's very cleansing. It attracts prosperity, wealth, and love, and just cleanses your energy. You can also use a selenite crystal, and you can just rub that all over your body, and it cleanses your aura. But this is definitely something that needs to happen just because we did just have the Mercury retrograde end on the new moon that just happened on Wednesday. And so we just want to renew our own energy. We want to get rid of that old stagnant energy that the retrograde brought in. So definitely do that. Definitely cleanse yourself for the month of August, and be excited for the fact that you're going to reconnect with your own spirit in some big major ways, and you're going to find a lot of answers and a lot of truth within yourself, like things that you've been questioning in your life for a while now. You're really going to find a lot of clarity. Like this mental fog is going to lift from your mind, where you know what you want to do and where you want to go, where you want to be, like all of those questions that you've had. And another message that comes up for August is surrender to wonder and awe. Open to the magic of every moment and sense that awe and wonder is in all of life. This attitude will keep you connected to the ecstasy of flow. Okay, so in August, it seems like not only are you going to build this relationship with your spirit and your higher self, but you're also going to, it seems like your eyes are going to be opened up to all this beauty and amazingness that is surrounding you. You're gonna start to see things in your life that are already there in a different perspective. It just seems like August is gonna be a very heartfelt month for you, where you're gonna feel richer within your heart and feel abundant within your heart, because you're gonna get to see everything you truly have in your life. You're gonna get to appreciate it. You're just gonna get to see everything in a new light. It's like this refreshing energy that is coming through for you in August. And also enjoy the month of August. Don't spend so much time hectic and worried and in chaos. Relax, slow down, and enjoy each moment. This August of 2019 is never gonna come back. So enjoy this. Enjoy this month with your family, your friends, yourself. Just raise your vibration and enjoy the month. Don't forget that, because it seems like it's been a while since you really allowed yourself to enjoy something. And then the last card is the Miser card, or the Miser, however you want to pronounce that. But this is a card where, if you can see, it's an old lady. She's holding on to all her precious jewels. She's just holding on very tightly to her wealth to her stuff. And so here's a message from this card is in the month of August, it's also a very, very good idea for you to declutter. And I feel like some kind of decluttering will be happening. Either like you're just gonna one day wake up and be like, you know what, I'm gonna call into work and I'm gonna stay home all day and just clean out everything. Like you'll just get this urge to just clean out, whether it's emotionally clean out shit that has been built up inside you, or cleaning out your closet, your house, a drawer, even your purse. Like sometimes we let our purse get really out of control, and like just decluttering is an energy that is coming up in August for you too. So I hope that this reading helped and gave you a little bit of clarity. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss out on other pick a card readings, and I hope you have a really, really great weekend. Okay, for everybody that picked card group number 2, let's go ahead and see what the energy of August looks like for you. So the first card is Coral's Wisdom. This is a card of fragility. Works that are created over great periods of time. This is really, really special because it seems like there's been something that you have been working on for a while, and it's fine. You're finally gonna see the fruits of your labor. You're finally gonna get to see results in August. You're gonna get to see signs that things are happening your way. Whatever you've been working on, whether it's in your job, at home, a project, a manifestation that you have been working on, whatever it is, definitely expect to see results in August. And the next card that comes up is Uncovering Treasure. Beneath the surface lies great bounty. Okay, so in the month of August, it seems like there is abundance coming in. There's money coming in. And it's money and abundance or free stuff, gifts, opportunities, like just very positive things coming in August for you. Like the energy is very strong around that. And it has to do a lot with whatever you've been working on for a while now. That's going to actually bring you a lot of abundance. And not only that, but it seems like you're going to let go. It seems like maybe if you've been trying to manifest something and you've been like, it's not like I've been trying everything, it's not coming true, I'm not manifesting, I'm not seeing results, you kind of start doubting and you start giving up. But in the month of August, it seems like the divine time is like now, like your time is now. Sometimes divine timing may differ from your ego's timing. If a goal isn't manifesting fast enough, according to your ego, be patient and trust the universal flow. So this is kind of what's going to happen in August. It seems like you're just going to let go. You're just going to be like, you know what, if it happens, it happens. It doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. And at that very point where you let go, you're going to feel lighter. Not only that, but like within a few days, even within a few hours, maybe after you let this go, after you let a bunch of stuff go, it's just going to happen like naturally. You're just going to wake up and be like, screw this bullshit. I don't need to worry about this. And you're just going to go on about your day with carefree attitude. Like that's the energy of August, is where you're just like, whatever. Okay, yeah, whatever. Like, I'm just going to live my life. I'm going to be happy and I'm going to just move forward. That's kind of going to be what your energy is going to be like in August. Very free-spirited. And that's when your manifestations are going to start to show you things. Like, you're going to start to see things. You're going to start to see synchronicity too. And this comes to the last card of your reading, which is the Integration card. Now, this is a card where if you can see like there's a lot going on in this card, but it's a card of balance, of the masculine and feminine coming together, of the 4 elements coming together, and also north, east, west, south. So it's like everything is coming together. And that's basically the whole theme of your August, is everything is starting to come together. And in August, you will see it and you will feel it. And it's going to bring you a lot of lightheartedness and a lot of just confidence that things are starting to show up and happen in your life the way that you want to. So get ready for August. Get excited for August. Like, I'm excited for you. The energy is very, very good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this reading gave you clarity and some guidance. Make sure that you're subscribed and visit my store for some jewelry and a lot of other spiritual items that I sell there. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, for everybody that picked card group number 3, let's go ahead and see what the energy of August looks like for you. So the first card that comes up is the guide card. And this is like a mentor, a trustworthy ally, a guide, like somebody that is going to come into your life, or somebody that is even already in your life that you might even be getting closer to in August. But expect like someone in August to give you a lot of support, help, clarity, and guidance. Like somebody is there to push you forward. Somebody is there to be there for you. Somebody is gonna show you how much you mean to them. Like somebody's gonna show you that you are important, that you're worthy, that you're special. Like the energy of August is someone showing you love and affection. Somebody showing you the importance and the worth of who you are. Like somebody really appreciates you. And in August, it seems like they're gonna come forth and they're gonna really show you their appreciation for you. And then that comes to the next card, which is in the flow. Everything is smooth sailing. In the month of August, it seems like this is what the energy is going to be like, just because we did just have the Mercury retrograde end, and Mercury retrograde brings some chaos sometimes. Basically, it just kind of purges a lot of things inside of you that don't belong there, like limiting beliefs and just stuff that doesn't serve you anymore. Mercury retrograde kind of brings it to the surface so that it can push it out. And sometimes it can get like frustrating, tense, and just all that, you know. But in the month of August, it seems like the energy is lighter. The energy is going to flow more smoothly in your life. And it's going to be like you're just going to allow yourself to rest. You're going to allow yourself to breathe. Like you need it. And that's kind of what the energy of August is going to be like. It's just smooth sailing, just flowing freely, lighthearted spirits, retrograde ending. And then that comes to the next card, which is surrender low self-esteem. You deserve success, love, and abundance. Set an intention to identify and release any remnants of low self-esteem. It seems like in August, you're really going to pinpoint where exactly are your lacking beliefs about who you are, about yourself. It seems like in the month of August, like you're really going to get to know your own self-worth, and which comes to the next card, which is the fighting card. It seems like there's been a constant battle within you the past few weeks or months. Like it's just been like there's just stuff inside of you just going at it. Like it's just battle and battle and battle, and you get exhausted and you just get like tired and frustrated and anxious and sad, like emotional, upset. All these emotions stir up inside of you because there's these constant battles going on inside of you. And that is all going to come to an end in August, especially with this retrograde ending. Like all that energy is kind of dissolving, and that's why everything is going to kind of be like smooth sailing, because now you're in a place where you have done the work and you are releasing the stuff that doesn't belong in your life anymore. And in August, it's like because of all that releasing that you did, all the purging that you did, it's like in August, it's a brand new energy. It's a fresh new energy, and the fighting within yourself is gonna stop. And this like battle of yourself that makes you question your own self-worth, makes you question your self-esteem, your confidence, your willpower, how much success you can have, how much money you can have. This constant fighting within yourself is just, it's kind of just gonna quiet itself out because you have released and purged what needed to be released and purged. If you have somebody, like in August, whoever is coming in your life to show you their appreciation for you, accept that appreciation, embrace that appreciation, and really just enjoy it. Like allow yourself to enjoy that appreciation. So I hope that this reading gave you some clarity and some guidance. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss another free pick a card reading. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video.